Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to change wallpaper, so let's see how we can do this. This is two way. First way is that you just have to keep a long press on an empty place, then select wallpaper and style from here. And here just select change wallpaper and you can just change from here. But if you want to get the setting, you just have to open your phone settings and go for Samsung, or here you will get the wallpaper and style. Just tap on it, then tap on change wallpaper, and here you will get different wallpaper. You can easily change from it. I'm going to select from this one, and here you will get different wallpapers in every category. You can easily select. There are some colors. I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, then tap on next, and here you can easily customize if you want. I'm going to select done from here. So that's how you can easily change wallpaper on your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.